I'm Suha Attia, and I'm a civil engineer with the District Department of Transportation. We are standing at the intersection of Deane and Division Avenue Northeast in Ward 7. DDOT has carried out a number of green infrastructure retrofit projects in this area aimed at improving the overall health and water quality of the Watts Branch watershed. The asphalt pavement at Deane was removed and transformed into a newly planted landscape area. 2 trench drains and a catch basin were installed to capture stormwater runoff. At the intersection, 2 refuge islands with plants were installed along with crosswalk markings. 6 new ADA compliant ramps were also installed. These improvements enhance pedestrian circulation in the area while also increasing the connectivity to the Watts Branch Trail. At Dix Street, the entrance to the trail was enhanced with a new kiosk and permeable pavement. In addition, raised intersections and bioretention bump outs were installed on Dix Street for traffic calming purposes. The bioretention facilities also capture stormwater runoff, allow for infiltration, and provide an opportunity for the plants to grow. Permeable pavement parking lanes were also installed on Dix Street to provide further water quality benefits. Eads Street has a high potential for stormwater infiltration and is in close proximity to Watts Branch and the trail. To reduce stormwater runoff, the existing asphalt road was removed and replaced with permeable pavement, which provides infiltration and water quality benefits. The green infrastructure projects on Dix Street, Division Avenue, and Eads Street collectively improve the environment, enhance pedestrian connections to Watts Branch Trail, and improve the quality of life for residents in Ward 7.